When students complete their studies, they are often advised to do the work that they like. The reason given for this is that work in which one has interest does not cause exhaustion and increases the possibility of success. This is what we call intrinsic motivation. In this type of motivation, a person works not only with the expectation of results, but for the happiness, satisfaction, and learning experience that comes from the work itself. This is the reason why such people often perform better and more creatively. However, the problem arises when loving your work itself becomes a pressure. If a person does not feel the happiness or enthusiasm in their work all the time, they begin to consider themselves unsuccessful and can get trapped in disappointment. Therefore, instead of seeing work only as a means to obtain happiness, it should be viewed as a process of learning and self improvement, through which it not only provides satisfaction but also creates self confidence in life. Work is a part of life. In any job, boredom, fatigue, and stress are normal. But when these are considered failure, a person begins to see themselves as weak. Because of guilt, people sometimes remain in a job that exhausts them and later became a cause of burnout. In the pursuit of a dream job, ignoring important matters like stability and income increases financial stress and dissatisfaction. Therefore, it is necessary to consider work not only as a source of happiness but as a part of life's balance so that work remains sustainable over a long period. Accept your limits. Guilt is the feeling in which a person considers themselves guilty even without any real mistake, such as considering themselves less hardworking when they do not receive happiness from work all the time. On the other hand, inadequacy is felt when a person compares themselves with others and consider themselves behind and less capable. Together, these two feelings create mental fatigue, stress, and a lack of self confidence. Therefore, it is necessary to understand that it is not possible to be happy and optimal at all times. Accepting one's limit and maintaining compassion towards oneself is the correct path through which a person can remain engaged in their work in a balanced, healthy, and sustainable way. Do not take performance pressure. Performance pressure is the condition in which a person remains constantly trapped in the concern of proving themselves better than others. This pressure increases further when work begins to be evaluated only on the basis of results rather than its learning process. In such a situation, even small mistakes become symbol of failure and mental stress continuously increases. Therefore, it is necessary that you do not limit performance only to outcomes. It should be seen in connection with effort, continuous improvement, and the process of learning. When you think in this way, work does not remain only a cause of pressure and anxiety, but becomes a medium for growth, self satisfaction, and personal development.